What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Nerd. Today it's gonna be another great sunny winter day. I'm still gonna freeze to death and it will be amazing. Gonna fish with some October Caddis under a 2-weight with a pellet fly. That always seems to work. And if it doesn't work, then at least I catch a stick fish, which is one of my favorite types of fish. If you want to get started fishing, you should definitely try catching sticks. Also on the 4-weight, some Sculpzillas. Never thrown streamers before, so I'm excited to do that, and we'll see if we can get them. Ooh. There we go. See him in. Nice. One little beaster. All right, get him back in. Oh, there we go. That was a miss set. I didn't think I whacked him on the side because he's jumping weird. Or not. See if we can get him in. Here, buddy. Nice. A little bit of a smaller guy. Spit it immediately. I'm just gonna get him back in the water. That's usually the size of fish I catch. All right, buddy. Have fun. Nuts. Oh, there he is. That was cool. Oh, and he's big. Oh, he broke me off. Wow. That was fucking insane. He just took off. Just a quick FYI, I got no barbs, so he's good. That was a nice fish. Sick rise. So sweet. Love it. Alright, so I don't know what kind of fish that was, but I do know it was fairly decent size. It broke me off and it was sick. Decided to row the lasagna platter down the river a little bit and see if we can throw some streamers. I've never chucked streamers before, so I was super excited. And if I don't catch any fish, there's always burritos. There we go. Nice big red side. Love it. nice thing about fishing is it rules. This guy's a beast. Definitely putting a strain on this 4-weight here. Alright, I'm gonna try and get him in. That's sick. Yar. See if we can turn his head. Still running. Look at that guy. Beautiful red side. We'll put him back in. I like catching fish, but sometimes the ones that get away are kind of the best. Woo! What a fucking day, man. Just sick. Gonna have to come back for another adventure. Like, maybe tomorrow. I gotta work. Thanks for watching another episode of Nerd. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and smash that like button for more vids.